Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header space from second page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove header space from the second page. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Now I am go to the second page. Then go back again the window menu and select the layer option and enable the layer. Then select the master page layer and select toggle visibility. Then select the frame text tool and draw a text frame like the header text. Now I am write our header text. Then select the text and go to the paragraph option, then make the spacing 0 and select the first line indent 0, then press enter on our keyboard. Then go to the text frame option and make the insets left, top, right and bottom make all 0, then close the panel and go back the layer option and lock the header layer. Then select the move tool and check the all page. Now we can see we remove header space from only second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.